Hello and welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn about study of compound ammonia. This topic is under ICSE 10th standard from the chapter number 7. This is 7C. Earlier we have seen that how we are manufacturing ammonia via lab preparation, via Haber's process, and one more from metal nitride. Now we are moving towards the property of ammonia. We know that ammonia has a basic nature. So in this we are going to study that how ammonia is showing its basic nature. And here we are going to study about fountain experiment. This experiment is exactly opposite to what we have studied in study of compound HCl. There the fountain was red in color because HCl was showing acidic property. Here ammonia is showing basic nature, that's why we are getting here blue fountain. So let us study and understand that how the red litmus solution will turn into blue color. So this is how I have arranged my apparatus. In this round bottom flask I have filled dry ammonia gas. From that I have inserted one jet tube, that is a hollow glass tube. Then along with that one dropper is there. Into a dropper I have filled water. Those two holes I have made in a rubber cork and I have placed a rubber cork on a round bottom flask. Now I have inverted a round bottom flask and I have inserted a jet tube which is dipping inside a red litmus solution which I have filled in the beaker or in a vessel. Now this is my red litmus solution. When my experiment will start, when I will press the dropper and allow some water to come out in the round bottom flask. My dropper is filled with water. I will press it and that water will come out in the round bottom flask. As the water is coming out, you can see all this blue color is a water. As my water is coming out from the dropper, this round bottom flask is filled with ammonia. And ammonia has high solubility in water. Soluble in water. And it has a very high solubility in water. So immediately ammonia will start dissolving into the water. As the ammonia will start dissolving into the water, so first step is I have pressed the dropper and allow some water to come out in the round bottom flask. Second, the water is coming out and it will dissolve some ammonia into it. As the ammonia will dissolve, the pressure inside the round bottom flask will decrease because earlier it was completely filled. Now some of the ammonia has been dissolved in the water. So some pressure decrease, you can see it here. As the pressure will decrease, through this jet tube, this red litmus solution will go up. This will be the fourth step. Some red litmus solution will go up through this jet tube. Why that is happening? Because there is a pressure decrease in round bottom flask. So it will up some of the red litmus solution. But as it comes out from the other end, it is coming out in the environment of ammonia. And ammonia is basic in nature. So till here it will be red. But as it comes out, it is coming in the contact with ammonia, it turns blue. As it comes out and as it is coming in contact with ammonia, it turns blue. So this will be our fifth step. So this shows that ammonia is basic in nature. So what is our first step? As we are squeezing the dropper, the water will come out. That water will dissolve some of the ammonia into it. It will make some pressure decrease into round bottom flask. Due to this pressure decrease, this jet tube sucks some of the red litmus solution through it, and as it comes out, it is coming out in the environment of ammonia. So you can see the blue color of litmus solution instead of red. So this experiment is fountain experiment of ammonia, by which we can understand a basic nature of ammonia. What we have seen earlier in case of HCl is exactly opposite compared to this. Into that we have taken here a blue litmus solution, and whatever we are getting here is red. Rest all things will be similar. Even the process of this experiment will remain similar. So this is one of the physical property of ammonia. We have studied basic nature of ammonia. In my next video we are going to study about the chemical properties of ammonia. Into that we will start from combustibility of ammonia. So keep learning, keep sharing. I see you in next video.